Hey, you already told me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I think I even saw an ad for it on Craigslist already. I don't care. Who made this damn mess, man?
Hey Jake, you wanna see my new car?
Come on, Feddy.
Time for a little OJ.
Jake, you wanna see my new car?
Stupid Eddie in this stupid car.
Hey Jake, have you seen my new car yet?
Eddie, I don't care about your stupid car. Why do you keep telling me?
Feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you?
Feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you?
All the homies, they know what I mean. Baby, let me show you how I lean. Like a cholo. Laid back, bouncing the car.
Did you hear about the Mexican train killer? He had locomotives.
Like a cholo.
Cut to side, elbows up, cut to side, elbows up, cut to